say our name. We were Kurds and we will always be Kurds. Through every age we remain the same. Before the empires rose and fell, he stood, we stand, we stood tall. In chains or in freedom we survive. We answer to